where I am exactly right now, and behind me there are 4 boys.
You're a 4 boy?
The boy
My name is Arman.
eating jackfruit. The handsome boy, and look around me. Behind me there are lot of trees, and look at the sky, the beautiful sky. I think it getting rain start. I don't know.
Zhongli's food is beautiful. Is WW taste.
It very delicious. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's so delicious. You should try this food. You know, this is Bangladeshi traditional food. The food is junk food, and this food is very tasty. How is that food taste?
Sweet, very sweet.
I think you feel so good.
Yes.